Definitely time to clean Butter's toys. As you can see, they're so dirty. That one. Look at this guy. Oh, so dirty. He needs a good wash. So I'll teach you how to wash your dog's toys, but make sure that they don't have anything that's open, because if it's open, if it's torn, then all that fluff will be all over the washing machine, and you don't want that. Trust me, I've done it so many times. That's the first thing I check. I make sure that it doesn't have that fluff on it. Anything that's opened, you don't want anything. You want to make sure that the toy is still intact and that it doesn't have any holes. This one looks good because I get it from Bark. Usually their toys last a lot longer for me, so I buy from this brand. Usually when I buy other brands, they tend to tear within like a day or two with Butters chewing on it. So to get them these. You can find Bark anywhere, on Chewy, Target, Amazon. That's where I usually get it, from all three of those places. So yeah, let me show you how I clean his toys. The first thing is you have to make sure that they're intact. This one goes in. This guy goes in. This goes in. Even though it's ripped, it's not going to give me a problem. It's not going to give me a problem. I'm sorry you hear the dryer. But yeah. Oh, I zoomed in too much. Yeah, so that goes in. Even though this has an opening, there's not that much fur in it. But if it is, oh well. I know I said to make sure that they don't have any holes or openings, but I'm going to risk it on this one. I'll put him in there. I'm putting some other toys that he doesn't play with them. He just I just put them as a mental stimulation game for him to pick out his food, his treats inside that package that you just saw that I just put in the laundry. Also, see one of these, they're mental stimulation games. So I put many of these small little toys to make him sniff and get the toys out. It's pretty good for him because it keeps him a little busy. I got some other ones. Looks like I'm making a fruit salad here. Oh, never mind, I brought the chicken. Oh God, this is so, it's so slobbery. Because he just had his, he had his little treat. Yeah, so here's an apple. Throwing all his little toys here. Oh, the cucumber is slobbery. That's one thing about big dogs, they just slobber. Another chicken. I love those chickens. Even though he doesn't play with Kermit that much. Sometimes I do. apple and the watermelon. And a donut. So they're all in there. Put some pie in there. Just one pocket. He's watching me as I do this. Hi, Butters. Hi, Peanut. Okay. So I put them in there in the wash. Close it. And I like to put it on hot so all the germs and whatnot get out of the toys. Just to like sanitize them, I guess. If the hot water does that. I just spin it. And yeah, we'll come back in like another 30 minutes. So now it's cleaned. Now we will check how they came out. He's super clean. That's nice. Just put him in the dryer. And let's see. Look at this guy. He's so clean. His legs are not dirty. I'm happy because I'm clean now. So I'm going to take out all of these and get them dried. Hold it. Mind me. Everything away in the dryer. Luckily there's no lint. I meant I'm turning away because well, some plastic came out. Other than that, we're good to go. Again, I put it in the dryer. And now it goes in the dryer. And there you have it. Now he's just gonna wait. Butters, are you waiting for your toys? I think he's camera shy. I got the sprinkle for you. Are you waiting for your toys? Don't look sad. He'll come back in like 60 minutes. He definitely looks sad. I better go play with him. So I hope this helps. Oh, he just went in my room. So I hope